I'm Barbara Moss. I'm from KAM Isaiah Israel in Chicago. Today we are going to be doing the second in our series of holiday cooking, and we're going to be making latkes for Hanukkah. So we're going to start off with 5 pounds of potatoes and oil, matzah meal, eggs, and onion, salt, and pepper. Very easy, not very many ingredients. So you can do your potatoes and onions in 2 ways. You can use the food processor, which is what I'm going to do, or you can use a grater like this. Use these holes and be very careful. Don't grate your skin into your latkes. So to start off, we're also going to use an electric fry pan. It's a very elderly electric fry pan that I've been using for many years. You can do this on the stove, but the electric fry pan keeps the temperature at an even temperature, and I do it at 350, and if you're doing it on the stove, the oil should just shimmer. So let's start. So we're going to be putting some potatoes, and I'm using 5 pounds of potatoes because if you're going to make them, you might as well make them. Doing the potatoes with the onions will keep the potatoes from discoloring. That's why if you peel the potatoes, and you don't have to peel the potatoes, you should keep them in cold water. I'm at 5 pounds of potatoes. This is going to take a lot of latkes. Now, this is one of the most important parts of making latkes. We're going to take a tea towel like this, not the terry cloth kind, this kind, and we're going to take the onions and the potatoes and squeeze the water out as hard as you can. You want them as dry as possible, but each potato has their own amount of water. And as you do this, the starch from the potato will fall to the bottom. And as you can see, the starch is starting to fall to the bottom of the liquid. This is a very important part of making latkes, probably the most important part. Now, we're going to start putting the latkes together. The eggs just help to bind the potatoes and the matzah meal. together. And my potatoes are pretty dry, so I might use at least one more egg, maybe two. Don't worry about this being too dry, because don't forget you're going to be adding back the potato starch into the latkes. We're going to take most of the water and we're going to get rid of it. And there is the starch, and we're putting it back in. Now we're going to put in 1/4 cup of matzo meal. And I like to use a fairly significant amount of oil. And maybe not an inch in your pan, but at least a 1/2 inch. You want them to really brown. Remember that when you start putting the latkes in the pan, every time you add one, it lowers the temperature of the oil. So let the oil come up to temperature every time. I'm churning these. Don't forget to put the salt and pepper in them, which we just did. Depending on how big your latkes are, it will take between 3 and 6 minutes to cook a latke. Some people use brown paper. I use paper towels. You can freeze these on a cookie sheet and then put them in plastic Ziploc bags in your freezer. Take them out, put them in the oven for 5 or 6 minutes at 400 degrees. And you can serve them as a side dish with brisket or salmon or vegetable soup. Or you can serve them as hors d'oeuvres with sour cream and applesauce. I hope you've enjoyed making latkes with us. See you next time.